What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are going to talk about compound today for John Speed at the request of John Speed. Guys, yesterday I was saying that I didn't think we were going to move below this low. I didn't think so, but I know, and I'm not here to try to pretend like, oh, I was right, because I definitely made it clear. I feel like I made it clear in yesterday's video that I wasn't looking for prices below there. But I did say several times that there were price targets at $77, potentially even down. I want to say $69, $68 was something I said. I don't remember. I want to say 68, 69, but those are like the lower targets that I was giving. Maybe it was 62. I forget, like around 60. And I was saying if we were to go down there to not be scared, right? That would probably just be another opportunity to buy, which is looking like it was. But I very much do think compound's still like in the midst of this breakout move. That's a nice recovery, touching back on this 123 moving average. It did go lower than I was expecting it to, but again, not anything that's like out of the ordinary, nothing that should like scare anybody. I hope nobody got shaken out and panic sold on this drop. I really hope nobody did. I hope people were taking the advantage. I know anybody watching this channel, if you've been watching it, you guys know that was 100% an opportunity to buy. That's a great opportunity to buy. So I hope you guys took that opportunity. Looking at the daily here, looking like you want to move up higher. The RSI looks really nice. This is starting to look like a bounce off the 60. You guys, compound might be completing the next phase of this move up, in which case I would think we're looking for that move up to $200, $250, $300, something like that, right? From this high to low, 618 all the way at 235, 304 being your potential high of that area. So somewhere around 235, 304, somewhere around there. I think that's where we're going. Little turbulence at the 382. I doubt we go back to the 236, man, and that just means like maybe it takes a week, maybe it takes a few weeks, but soon we're gonna complete the rest of this move up. That I think we haven't seen it yet. We haven't seen the rest of the move, so. Daily does look fine in my opinion. You were hot. You literally were all the way up at the 90s, 96, right? 95, 96, and you cooled way the hell off. You went all the way down to your 60. Very, very bullish situation you've got going on, especially with these higher lows. You thought this part was nice, right? You thought this part was nice. I think we're about to see even larger growth in a shorter amount of time in a more spectacular fashion, but I could be wrong. But I do think compound is looking pretty bullish right now. I do like how on the RSI you maintain areas, you maintain readings in this overbought zone for so long. You just hate being oversold. You literally tip it and dip it and then you rip it, man. You're looking good. You're looking really good. So what would be really nice to see is get a 4-hour to just totally engulf this drop, close above where it even started, close above $91, $92 on the 4-hour, and essentially everything that I've been saying in this video will hopefully come to fruition with that. That would be enough, in my opinion, to signal that we're moving up, man. We're moving up. This is a up move, a little bit of a pullback, a little shakeout, and then further up, right? We see these kind of things. This is crypto. If it's your first time, welcome. You've finally been initiated, right? If you've just gotten in the past couple months, welcome, man, because this is normal. This is very normal stuff. Don't be scared. Be prepared. Hopefully people were not scared. Nobody was panic selling. And hopefully people took it as the opportunity to buy. I've been seeing a couple comments on the YouTube channel. I'm really proud of you guys talking about buying at $77, talking about buying at $70, buying at these lower prices that came when we were just at prices all the way up at $103. You literally got it for a 30% discount. You're reaping the benefits. You're going to do well. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think you're making the right moves. You didn't buy up here. You bought down here. Whenever this is an emotional time, and in the midst of an emotional drop, you purchased. You looked death in the eyes. And you're like, I'm going right at you, man. I'm gonna buy. Good job. I love hearing that stuff, you guys. And I really hope that you and I and the rest of us reap the rewards of what's to come. I think it will send us above $200, between $200 $300 is where we're going before this move starts to consolidate for a longer amount of time, right? It seems so significant right now, but as the weeks go on, if we just keep moving up, it's not going to feel significant at all, right? Look at this, for example. This week here, you moved up 32%. You opened this week, you dropped 25%, and then boom, you actually ended up closing that week 11% in the green. Following up with that, you kept dropping week after week, but inevitably moving higher each week. So, and if you bought down here, and you sold up in this area or sold up in this area, even if you sold up here, you don't even remember these little drops, right? They were just blips on your radar, so not even blips on your radar. So I think, we broke out, we tested back the area kind of where we broke out from, and we're going to move higher. I think we're looking good, man. This is a very nice recovery. So very bullish on compound, very bullish on what's to come. I hope we do reap the rewards. I think we will. So let's just see it go, man. That's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. Ultimately, you guys know I think compound's going to go a lot higher than the targets I've listed now, but just for the more immediate term, these are the prices I'm looking for. So take care. Bye-bye. See you next time.